and legal document preparers, we have a special announcement, right?
Yes, in our service-based business, we always offer for our local customers bundle and save options because it works very well. And of course, they like that. But we decided for the notaries out there, why don't we create a bundle and save? So we have a fingerprinting course that we have, and we have a credit repair course.
And most of you already know that. I think a lot of you guys have purchased that from us already, but there are tons more notaries that are looking for this.
Right. So if business is slow, it's a good idea to have these other services that can actually bring in cash. Now, our fingerprinting course is $37 and our credit repair course is $27. So that would be a total of $64 if you were to buy them both. We have created a bundle and save that is $47. That is like, what, $17 in savings. It's absolutely insane. Listen, the very first customer you took for either one of these services that you added would pay for more than pay and put money back in your pocket. It's ridiculous.
Definitely.
What's crazy is this business, both these business models cost next to nothing to get started. It's literally cheaper to do these than it is to be a notary. They work well with your business. Why? Because they're just clerical skills. As a notary, you're doing clerical skills, a little paperwork, a little stamping, a little looking over documents. It's essentially about the same thing. The technical skill required to do fingerprinting is very simplistic and easy to learn.
And we teach it to you.
Yep, we teach it to you. We teach you the backstory, the history of fingerprinting, what you need to know to do these, the technical hands-on skills that are involved through video and through didactic and through downloadable material. This is an intake form for a customer of ours for credit repair. That pays us $100 a month repeat. So that is a repeat customer that we have repeat revenue from. Wouldn't that be good? I mean, you get a few of them and you start to not really care whether or not the notary is slow or not because you have repeat base. Exactly. These are ironically people that you can meet and offer your services for as a notary. I tell you, just the other day, I was at the checkout at Walgreens and they were pitching the person in front of me on a Walgreens credit card. She said, "Oh no, I got a few dings on my credit." And just as quick as she said that, I whipped out my business card and was like, let's get rid of that stuff. Because really about 8 out of 10 people have dings on their credit or have erroneous things, and you can charge them to get that stuff removed. It's clerical skills. It's just sending out letters. It's just a little bit of technical know-how. So that's what we are offering for notaries. Up your game, up your service skill level, your skill set. So we call this the Notary Business Skill Builder Bundle.
Always got to be a mouthful.
Always got to have a mouthful in there. So links will be in the description. You can bundle and save. That's it for today. Take advantage of this opportunity. We might change our minds. So if you visit our main page at Mark Sias Mike Kajabi, you will see every course that we have. And of course, you can book a discovery call to find the best choice for you.